Okay, for people that actually go backpacking and actually use their backpacks, when you're working on a camp kitchen, some people just use 1 cup water, mountain house, and away they go. Where I'm working on a complete different system where I can literally have an amazing cook system out in the wilderness, as you've seen from my other videos, where I cook an entire steak meal. In order to achieve that, you need to take spices of what you like. I found these bottles on Amazon. They got, somewhat of a good click to them, and they screw on and screw off. Now, you can take the lid themselves, and you can glue this lid and glue it down. If you're scared it'll pop out with some crazy glue, and then you can just open it up like this and then sprinkle it over your food. And some of the things I've done and how I've got this hooked up, okay, as you can see here, I've got them sitting inside my titanium cup is what I got them going on. Now, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 inside my cup here. And this is lemon pepper. This is salt. This, I think, is soap. Yes, this is a soap, this is. And this is a special kind of soap. This soap I use is called Pure Castle Soap, which is this here. I'll have a link to the bottom for it. But this is really good for the environment. It doesn't hurt the fish. It doesn't hurt literally anything. And this is used for, and you notice it's only one ounce bottle. This might be used to clean my hands. It might be used to wash my dishes. This is what this is going to be used for, and it really only needs a couple drops. And because these have, a little end on here, you can literally get 1 or 2 drops out of that. Is what you can get. This here is turmeric, is what this is. You may not like that. And this here is olive oil, is what that is. So a little bit of olive oil for frying in your frying pan. This here is, and a lot of people probably don't like this. This here is ground cloves, is what this is. Now you got to use this very sparingly if you're using it on something. I mean, just a couple little shakes across something, because cloves are extremely potent. And then this here is just pepper. So all 1 ounce containers, all fit inside my cup here. And I have a wide range of spices. And you can make your own spices. I want the soap in the middle. And you can make your own. Now my lid for this is going to sit there, and it kind of sits up. It doesn't completely sit on that, as you can see where it's raised up a little bit. But what happens is once I pull this up and I squeeze this down, that lid ain't going nowhere. See that? So it sits there perfect. And then it'll go directly inside the center pot, and it will stay within the pot system. Now, you could take these 1 ounce containers and you could, like I said, crazy glue the top if you want. But I don't think you're going to have to. It takes quite a bit to open it. So I tried putting it inside my pack and throwing it on the ground, picking it up, throwing it on the ground, just to see what these bottles would do. And the lids didn't come off. Maybe because they're inside my cup. I don't know. But you're going to need a way to carry your own spices. Because, you don't want to be carrying something like this. That's ridiculous. That big. So it's up to you what you want to do. But The system's almost complete. I even had, which came in yesterday, a titanium plate come in. And it does, everything does fit. And I'm right at 3 pounds. And 3 pounds and a little bit if I had a fuel container. And I have a complete working system where I can boil, fry. I do have a couple washcloths come in and a pot scrubber and a couple other things coming in tomorrow to add to this kit, which will go in the sides. But I think I've got everything I pretty much need that will cook just about anything I want, and you'll have the spices that you want if you want to spice things up. So these bottles are super cheap. I mean, it's just one of those things you need, and it comes with, I think it was 12 or I can't remember, but I'll have a link in the bottom if you're looking for some type of way to transport, you know, spices or whatnot. Now, these are also good for travel if you do any traveling. Little shampoos, little hand creams, stuff like that. Um, these little bottles come in handy for a lot of different things, and that's the amazing part. So, if you got a backpack, if you're looking at going backpacking, you're looking at get home bag or bug out bag, whatever. When food tastes good, it picks you up and you feel a whole lot better. So again, I'll have links to the bottom to some of this stuff, and this cook kit's looking pretty good. Catch you guys on the next one.